Hey, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And I have a new box. This is the Allure Beauty Box. Brand new to me. And let's take a look and see what's inside. Hey, welcome back. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Kara. And this is Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget, where we talk about subscription boxes, deals and steals, anything having to do with beauty, skincare, makeup. And this is a new box for me. This is the Allure Beauty Box. And this is a box that is $15 a month. It's $10 a month for your first box. So I will leave a link in my description box down below. And that's how you can sign up for it. And this comes with a little case that has like a little folding flap thingy, and this has 6 products in it, and they give you a little brochure telling you about your products. And since this is my first one, I'm very interested. They also give you a couple little coupon codes. This one seems to be for leggings, and one for Bobble Bar. That's a $20 gift. So if you're interested, you can use the code Bobble Bar. I don't know if it's a one-time code. If it is, then whoever uses it first, it will work for you. But let's take a look at the box. Okay, first item, we have the SJX NYC, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. It's volume, refresh, and hold. And it's a little travel size. So I like it. I like little travel sizes of these hair products, especially when I don't know if it's going to work for me, if I'm going to like it. So I love getting little sample sizes of these. I like it. It doesn't have a really super strong scent, and the mist seems really nice, so I think I can definitely use that for the summer when your hair starts getting a little limp at the roots. And then the next one is Floss. This is my new favorite lip gloss, and the shade is Yule, Y-U-L. And I'm not familiar with this brand. I was familiar, I have heard of SGX, but I have not heard of Floss. Very cute. It is just a clear tube, and it's called my new favorite lip gloss, and it's just a pinky lip gloss with a nice little applicator. Oh, it smells like vanilla cake. Seems like a lot of things are smelling like vanilla cake lately, and I like it. Like the Dominique Cosmetics lemonade lip gloss smells like cake. Love it. And then the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream right here. And I always like trying out new eye creams. It seems like you get even a small one like this, and they last forever. This one is 0.5 of an ounce. And the eye cream has a value of $35. So that's pretty cool. The box only cost me $10 for this initial box, and it'll be $15 going forward. And then the Floss has a retail price of $16. The SJX, did we say this one? It doesn't say what the retail price of this one is. But let's see, we have the Aven Eau Thermal Spring Water in 1.6 ounce. This looks like a little travel size. And what I've been doing with my spray waters, like the Caudalie Grape Mist that we got in the BoxyCharm skincare box, what I've been doing with them is storing them in the fridge for the summer. And it's so refreshing. You pull out a can of one of these facial mists and it's just so cold. It's so refreshing for the summer. I suggest you do it. So this little guy has a retail price of $18.50. And this will be going in my fridge right next to the cod tally. Yes. Let's see, going right along. Next up is Moroccan oil. This is the treatment Moroccan oil. So I got a spray from them before, and I'm happy to have the oil because I like to put the oil at the ends of my hair, and my hair's really long, so the ends of my hair always get dry. I really could use some oil. This one has a retail value of $44, but it's 0.34 ounces. So in editing, I'm going to put if that's for the full size or if that's for this size. But this, they sell at Sephora, Moroccan oil, and I love Moroccan oil. And then the last product is the BrowGal. This is a brow pencil with a little spoolie. Here we go. So this is the BrowGal, and it has a little spoolie. It has a nice sharp tip to it, and it also comes with a little sharpening cap right there. Mine is in the shade medium brown 04, so that could be my shade. It's probably right around there. Might be a little light for me, so I'll just have to compare it with one of my Anastasia ones to see if this is the right shade for me. But I like this box. This seems to be a really good value for $15, which is what I'll be paying going forward. This has 6 items. We have the spray. We have the dry texture spray for your hair. We have the Context eye cream, which is a really nice size. We have the Moroccan oil, which is a small size, but oil goes a long way with your hair, especially if you're just using it in the ends. BrowGal pencil. We have the Floss little lip gloss. I like it. This is really cute. It's like a lavender color, so seems like it could go with probably more than half of the lipsticks that I have. So that's a welcome addition. And then they also give you the 2 little coupon codes. So let me know if you're an Allure box subscriber, if you enjoyed your box for the month. And again, if you want to sign up, the sign up link will be in the description box below. And let me know how you guys are doing. I will see you with the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.